Shares of electric vehicle makers rallying today after BYD said it expects to triple its net profit in the first half of the year due to strong EV sales, showing little impact from the pricing war in China. Rival Tesla also had good news. The EV giant finally produced its first Cybertruck. The auto rolled off the assembly line at the company's Austin gigafactory on Saturday. You can see other EV companies boosted as well. Rivian under some pressure, though, but Lucid and NIO all up on the news from BYD and Tesla. Joining us now is Yahoo Finance reporter Alexandra Canal. Allie Canal.
Hi.
Hello.
Well, I first want to say the Cybertruck, I think, is one of the ugliest cars
on
the market.
It's terrible.
However, I do think that people that love Tesla, love Elon Musk, they're going to humor it because they're likely going to stay within that ecosystem. I also think we're going to see more EV adoption across the board, right? Especially with a lot of these charging stations popping up more and more. But what's interesting is there was a report that the Cybertruck will only have about 350-mile range. That would be significantly below the 620-mile range a Tesla said the Cybertruck would have in 2019. It also would be below the Chevy Silverado, which drives at a 450-mile range. It would be above the F-150 Lightning by 30 miles. But still, you wonder, once that news comes out, this is just based on a report, if that could affect Tesla's stock price.
I mean, go ahead.
I was just going to say, the thing I'm curious about going forward, the Cybertruck is a sideshow for now. Right? Mm-hmm. It's an interesting sideshow. It's an ugly car, blah, blah, blah. People want it, I guess. The price war is really the thing right now. And on that front, Ford just cut the price of its Lightning, its F-150 Lightning. So now it looks like that the pro-commercial truck, according to our Subramanian, who has a story on the Yahoo Finance platform on this, is going to be cut by almost 10 grand. So the new starting price will be $49,995 for that pro line. So this just showing the continued competition, really, that is heating up so much in this industry. That's happening here. It's happening in China, to the case of BYD. It's happening everywhere.
And we know that that is part of what fueled Tesla sales recently, is just the pricing strategy they took after that last round of earnings. So I think we can expect to see more of that. But also keep in mind for the Cybertruck, it's been delay after delay, and it's just one. Right? They need to produce more. They had people who signed up for, who placed orders, and they had to stop because they were so far behind in terms of actual production of this. I mean, certainly good news for the share price today, and you're seeing the opposite effect to Rivian because of the Cybertruck.
Yeah, and you wonder how the pricing wars, too, will impact margins. We're going to hear from Tesla later this week, so I think that's going to be a key earnings report that a lot of investors will be tuned in on.
Yeah.
Can you imagine the blind spots in that thing? I'm just looking at it on the road. Like, I don't know.